In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable unwanted features in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So all you have to do is just open up the Start menu, just left click on the Start button one time, type in Windows Features. Best match should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Left click on that. And then once this list loads here, you'll be able to check certain boxes on or off depending on what you want to do. So just going to give it a moment here to load, and we're going to go through a couple examples. Okay, so now that that's open here, let's just say you want to scroll down and want to turn off the XPS document writer. Just uncheck the box here and then left click on OK to save the change. You can also expand certain subfolders here as well, so there might be some files that are checkmarked in here. And if there's a filled in box, that means that there is partially checkmarked underneath. So if you click inside of there, you see some are checked and some are not. So you can play around with that. If you have a specific feature you want to turn off, you can be able to do it right through here. So just left click on OK to save the change. Give it a moment here. And again, it's for whatever feature you want to turn off. And once you're done, you're going to have to restart your computer and make sure you close out of any open programs or applications before you do so, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.